Hello! In this video, we will go over the difference between standard orders and loyalty orders and how to create and edit a loyalty order. There are two types of orders you can place once you are logged in. The first is what we call a standard order. This is simply a one-time order that does not count towards part of the loyalty rewards program. You cannot earn product credit points off of a standard one-time order. To place a standard order, simply click on the Place Standard One-Time Order button at the right of the screen. Once you have clicked this option, you will see a banner at the top right informing you that you are now placing a standard one-time order. Begin shopping by clicking on one of the product categories. To view the items that you have selected, click on your View Cart. Notice the frequency column says one time since this is a standard order. You can add any other items by typing in the Quick Add to Cart and clicking on the item. Remove items by clicking on X in the corresponding item line. Edit your ship to address, payment, the email address for the order confirmation by clicking on the little edit link next to the appropriate section. Select your shipping option over at the right. When the order is ready to go, you can click on View Totals. Click on the Continue button at the bottom. If everything looks good on the review page, click Proceed to Checkout and then Process Now. Most Doterra members want to maximize the benefits of ordering by placing loyalty orders through a loyalty rewards program, also referred to as LRP. These orders are different from standard orders. With a loyalty order, you select a day for the order to automatically process each month, so that you do not get the same items each month. You can go in the prior to that day and make any changes to the order if you want. By placing orders through the Loyalty Rewards program, you are able to earn product credit points that can be redeemed for free product, as well as be eligible for certain promotions and bonuses. To create a reoccurring monthly loyalty order, once you are logged into your account, go to the loyalty order box on the right-hand side. If you would like, you can set up multiple loyalty orders. If you set up multiple orders, you will need to make sure and make any changes to both before they process each month if you do not want to get the same items again. Click on Create a New Loyalty Template. This will take you to a calendar where you can pick up which day of the month you want the order to automatically process. Only dates with boxes around them are available for selection. Some dates have already reached their capacity for order and are no longer available to choose. Click on the date that works best for you. This date should turn purple once selected. Then click on the Next Add Products to Your Cart button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Similar to the standard order, you can then shop by clicking on one of the product categories and add desired items to your cart. When you are ready to save the order or want to see what you have added, click on the Review Cart button. Notice the frequency column says monthly. This is how you know this is a reoccurring monthly or loyalty order. Make any other additional edits to items, address, or payment information if needed, just as you did in a standard order. When the order is ready to go, you can click on View Totals to check the cost of the order. You should see 4 options that appear at the bottom of the order. Continue Shopping allows you to go back to the Shop tab where you can click on product categories and add other items. To get back to the cart, click on Go to Cart. Clear changes undoes anything you may have changed and empties the cart. Save changes will save the order how it is to process on your next processing date. If you choose this option, you are done. Next, Continue allows you to proceed to process the order now instead of waiting for your processing day. This can be used to allow additional loyalty orders to process in a given month, since the LRP program only has one order automatically generated per month. Or if you want your order early this month and do not want it to go on the saved processing date, if you have your order processed early, it will not go again that month, but will wait for the next month's processing date. After clicking continue, you will follow the same process as a standard order to proceed to checkout and process your order today. We are going to go ahead and save this order. There may be pop-ups that appear after clicking Save Changes or Continue that remind you of certain PV levels. Once you have created an LRP, it is easy to make changes. In your account, under the Shop tab, you will now see a loyalty order listed in the Scheduled Loyalty Orders box to the right. Simply click on the gray box with the loyalty order number you want to change. This will take you directly into the cart, where you can edit the order using the processes we discussed earlier in the video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the many products doTERRA has to offer.